Progress on the Lambo. As y'all can see, Chris already started taking the front end apart. He's got the headlights off, he's got the front end scuffed, and he started doing body work on it already. The whole car is going to get repainted just because a lot of the color variations are already different on her. So I'm not sure how many times this car has been repainted in the past, but he's going to fully sand it down and then fix all the dents and stuff on it. As y'all can see, he's got everything taken apart and going at it. So tomorrow we got a welder coming out here that's a professional aluminum welder, and he's gonna weld this quarter panel. We were supposed to get the car welded today, supposed to have a welder come through here, but as usual most folks bail, don't come through. So Chris was already working on the body. But right now we're going to have to put it back on the ground, get it up on the trailer, and take it over to my cousin's house to get it welded because he can't bring his welding equipment here. As y'all can see, Chris has been working at this car, slaving away, and it's come together. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put this thing on the ground, put it up on the trailer, and send it over to my cousin's house. Car is strapped and we are getting ready to head out to my cousin's house to get it welded.
So nothing's gonna flare out from here, right? Shut it.
Here's the side that needs to be welded. You can call this the ugly child, then you go back to the other side and it looks pretty good. Oh, the sound went away. Nice. Here's this side. Look at that. We're finally here at this professional welder place. It's called Parchuk and Company. Welds are all finished, so we're gonna head back to the shop and get the rivets in. Sweet. That's it. Perfect. Here he is, the one and only welder. Alright y'all, so this is Matt right here. He was kind enough to bring his SPR gun over, self-piercing rivet gun, and do the rivets on the Lamborghini. That way they are done properly. We decided to go with the same rivets as Ford uses on their Luma duties. This gun is kind of pricey. That is the reason why a lot of folks don't have it. It's a little bit over $6,000. Yeah, definitely super high. But like I said, I'm thankful that he's on board and he came over to help us. He saved us. He definitely saved us from having to go to Harbor Freight using regular rivets. So we're thankful for that. Once again, thanks Matt for coming out. We really appreciate it. Look at this. So Jeremy had to fabricate a bunch of work here to make this boiler work.
Just a little bit.
Right? So look, this is all custom right here, as y'all can see. How many pieces of pipe was this, yo?
Like
four pieces of pipe, yo. Look at that. Just to get the angle right so it sits right in the pipe.
Looks a lot better.
I mean, this is not a finished product, but still, you can kind of get a rough, at least a rough idea what it looked like, or how hard it was to make that. So, oh yeah. Up at the muffler shop, my sound was off. We're gonna re-record the exhaust so y'all can hear what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and start it up, Chris. Alright y'all, we got some good news. The front bumper finally came in for the Lamborghini. This is what most people's daily drivers looks like, around $3 grand, right? So that's how much this front bumper cost. So, wow. It's a RSC bumper. Man, look at this, dude. Man, the quality is actually really, really nice. Man, definitely a lot better than the Maserati bumper I was out of fiberglass. This is like OEM quality. Wow, this is nice. I guess you get what you pay for, man. This is what $3 grand bumper looks like. We got the grills for it. Oh, that's the carbon fiber lip. Nice. That should be a sweet touch to it. Here are the grills. Yeah. This is definitely gonna be better than the Maserati bumper for sure. So, sweet. That's awesome. Like I said, most of the parts already came in, y'all, so we're tugging along on this build, man. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, Chris has already thrown the front bumper on here. This is the new LP front bumper. And the test is actually really, really, really nice. I'll put it, I guess, not a link, but I'll put down who we bought it from, because I'm actually really impressed with the fitment of this bumper. It looks really, really good. You know, like literally like OEM fitment. You know, so you don't have to really worry about messing around or trying to like the one with the Maserati bumper, because we're going to have to do some serious modifications to that bumper. But in this case scenario right here, man, this thing fits perfect. Oh, like they say, fits like a glove. You know, so this is nice right here. This is going to come out really, really nice. You kind of get an idea of what the car is actually going to start looking like now. So, whew, yeah, that's awesome. There's the original bumper with all the plastics and stuff, you know. Yeah, it doesn't look as good as the LP. The LP is going to give it such a mean stance. Can't wait to see this thing on the road. Sneak peek for the next video. As you can see, Chris is already almost done with the car. He has spent hours and hours. Probably more on buffing than painting, right?
No, I don't know. I mean, I'm almost at 200 hours in it right now.
200 hours? Dang, y'all heard that. Boy said he's almost 200 hours into it. So as you can see, it's coming together. So, and we're still waiting for the interior as well. We sent that to a upholstery shop, so the whole interior is bare. Nice. Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to take off for a few weeks, maybe a couple months. So it'll be a while until my next video. But as y'all can see, the car is coming together. And when I get back, we should have an update for the Lambo, the Maserati, and the Porsche. So either way, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.